Okay, carb's cleaned. Air box off. I'm gonna start it again here, Bob. Add a little fuel, sorry. Alright. Added some more fuel here. Put a new battery in it just now. That's quite the crazy job. And then I got a new clutch handle I'm getting ready to stick on there, but let's see what happens here. I ran it out of fuel the first time. Sounds healthy to me. See it pulling on that gas pretty quick. See how fast it's eating that fuel? Alright, went ahead and put the new clutch master cylinder on there. As you guys can see, I've got clutch pressure. As you can see, good amount of clutch pressure going on. Just show you where the bleeder is. Remove this guy here. There's your bleeder. Takes a little bit of time. I'm sure I'll have to do a little bit more to it, so I'm not going to put the cover on it just yet. And we'll come out here and check the pressure in the morning. If I still think that it needs to be, if I still think there's air in there, which I'm assuming there will be. Normally a bleeding process takes 3 or 4 times, but right now I have clutch pressure. I can put it in and out of gear and it will roll. So, but that's your clutch bleeder on this old thing. So, got to remove that case off here. 4 bolts, pops off, and there's your 8mm clutch bleeder. And just kind of going through the rest of the works here now. So the only thing really stopping me from taking this for a ride at this point is that front cylinder is not getting fuel. So that's, back one's getting it just fine, the front one is not, even after the carb clean, so I still have to address that. But other than that, new batteries on there, new clutch master cylinders on there. The clutch has been bled. Like I said, clutch has been bled. I can put it in and out of gear now and roll it. So, clutch in, nice and tight, boy, is that tight. So, now I can pull in the clutch, kick her into gear, and as you can see, even in first gear, she'll still roll. This is a heavy bike, let the clutch out, it stops. So, that clutch master cylinder, the new fresh one, I gotta clean it up now, but you can tell it's brand spanking new. Just put her on there, put some new mirrors on her today. That clutch is nice and tight. It's doing a great job. So now that she's locked in, I can pull it in and she'll roll. Let it out, she stops. The clutch is doing good. Take it out of gear here. There we go, back into neutral. So one thing left to do. Bike starts and runs every time now, but it's only running on 1 cylinder, so before we can take her out on the road for the first time and put some air in the tires and stuff, I gotta figure out why the front cylinder is not getting fuel. This line is completely dry and it shouldn't be. So we're having a priming issue of getting gas from the pump to here. So that's it. After that, I can give this thing a good cleaning and put the covers back on. We'll take this thing out for its first. I didn't like the mirrors he had on there, so I changed them out. Didn't take me long. Still got the side covers off because I was checking the spark on both cylinders. Both cylinders have spark at this point. And so after I give it a really good cleaning, we'll go ahead and clean that tank out, CLR it, coat it, and then we'll flop it back on here. And this puppy should be up. So there's the other thing for the spark plug cover. As you can see, I've got them off. It looks like this normally, but I've got them off because I was checking the plugs. So this thing's almost ready to go for its first rip, Chip. Well, look how dirty and ugly that one is compared to the new one. I might just actually replace this one too, just because that's so freaking ugly. But this one is still working. It just needs to be bled. So I don't know. I do like the look of the new chrome. Definitely stands out compared to the old aluminum up one there. But yeah, so she's almost ready. Almost ready for the road, man. Doesn't take Dan long to work on things. 30-year-old motorcycle. She'll be up and hopefully actually cruising down the street here in the next day or two. So just got to spend a little bit more time trying to figure out why gas isn't making it to the front cylinder. But other than that, man, she's a ripper. Clutch is working. Gears are working. Starts right up. New battery. I mean, like I said, Dan doesn't play around. I get things done, man. We get things accomplished. Yeah.